Hi gorgeous beauties, this is Miko. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I wanted to share with you what's inside of my Lululemon Everywhere Belt Bag. I got this from the Fontana Outdoor Bel Air Swamp Meet and I just love it from my friend Bella's shop. I hope you caught the little come along vlog. If you have and commented, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. I also got these cool little Labubu, the Monsters vinyl face blind boxes. And my daughter opened hers already. This is the one that she got. So you can either get this one here that has the Coca-Cola can. There's an option of a Coca-Cola bottle. Or you can get the secret one. So I'm going to open mine with you on camera. But this one is truly so cute. I love the little can. Isn't it adorable? I love it. So this is going to be my second Labubu. But first, let's get into this Barbified gorgeous bag. I love it. I've always wanted one, and I ended up getting kind of like a similar little shaped bag that I always use for the store, like on quick runs and stuff like that. It's a little black bag that was like, seemed kind of inspired by the Lululemon, and they were selling it at Walgreens, I think during like Christmas time or something. But I'm going to retire that, and this is my new baby. I love it so much in the hot pink. She is just gorgeous. And here is the strap. I'm going to actually wear this not like a fanny pack style. I'm going to wear it like a sling across my chest. So it's beautiful. I love how it has the little adjustment belts and everything here on this side. I love the big bulky kind of like seat belt buckle that it has. It just looks so high quality. Oh yeah, that's secure. I like that a lot. So when I do wear it, I'm gonna, adjust it so it's gonna fit like a sling. Right now I do have it packed to my needs for the day, so it's gonna kind of vary from day to day, different activities, wherever I'm going, what I'm doing, depending what I need inside. Right now it is packed where it wouldn't fit my phone, but I'm always vlogging wherever I go for you beauties, so that's okay. But yes, today I needed some little touch-up makeup and things on the go, on the run, in my cute little bag. So let's get into it. I do not have nothing in the back compartment right now. Look at this gorgeous zipper pull. Isn't that just beautiful? I love everything about this bag. It's one of my March favorites, along with my hot pink Conkin in the flamingo pink color. And then beauties, I will be doing another video with my new hot pink wristlet that I just purchased off the TikTok shop. So I'm waiting for that to get delivered to my home. I cannot wait. It's like going viral. It's an RFID type of wristlet. Comes in all colors. It's beautiful. So all my hot pink stuff, my Conkin sling, the Lululemon Everywhere belt bag, and my new wristlet coming from the TikTok shop, I'll have a video for my March favorites. I love it. Obsessed. They're all Barbified pink. I love the zippering on this bag. No complaints. So smooth. The stitching is just beautiful. I know I'm a little late on this Lululemon trend, but that is okay. I'm going to rock it like a queen. Okay. So the zipper pull is just beautiful. And I want to thank my sweet friend Bella for gifting me this beautiful bag. Bella is such a beauty, such a queen. She is so kind to me. She makes me feel so welcomed when she invites me to come over to film. She's telling people about me. She's recording. I'm going to show some quick clips of how cute she is. And she's going around as I'm filming the Labubu clothes. She's over there, filming in the background, me doing my thing. I thought that was so cute and kind of her. So Bella, I truly appreciate you, queen. I cannot wait to come back. I love you. I love your store. I love how you're about your business. And I love how kind and sweet she is to everyone. When her customers come, she is so lovely. Truly, 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 she's a lovely person. So, thank you, girl. I love you, queen.
Hola, hola, buenos días, mi gente. Pues estoy muy agradecida con Miko. Los invito a que la sigan en su canal. Ella tiene Instagram, YouTube y síganos en todas las redes sociales que ella tiene, porque ella viene a hacer colaboración con nosotros para levantar nuestros negocios a nuestros nuevos emprendedores. Les agradezco mucho por seguirla y mira, síganla porque es la mejor influencer que van a encontrar, se los aseguro. Yay, yay, thank you. Gracias. Yo bien contenta porque aquí está Mrs. Miko. Ella es una influencer que viene siempre a hacernos videos de todos nuestros nuevos productos que acaban de llegar. Casi siempre viene a hacer de lo más fresco que tenemos aquí en este humilde puesto. Y bueno, chicas, aquí las esperamos en Z 4 y 5, mi gente. I'm happy. Tenemos un día maravilloso, aunque esté nublado con ojos de sol, pero bien contentos porque nos visita esta hermosa chava, esta hermosa mujer que viene a hacernos videos aquí en todo nuestro lugar, y pues estamos bien felices contando con su colaboración para subir el rating del negocio, aunque siempre ya saben que con ella tenemos aquí a la mejor influencer. ¡Yay! Tenemos muchas variedades en toda nuestra mercancía y el viejo feliz como una lombriz. Miko, say hi.
Hola. All right, beauties, let's get into it. And I hope you caught my vlog catching me and Bella at her space yesterday. It was so much fun. I love going there so much. So let's get into it so we can unbox and see what Labubu I got. All right, so here's the gorgeous bag. It's just so pink everywhere. I love it. It has mesh compartments on both sides. It holds so much, you guys. I love it. So I didn't put my little AirPods on this side and these like little mesh compartments right now, just because I didn't want it to be like bulky and sticking out here in the front. But when it's a little bit more empty, like when I take this out, I'll have more room to stick it in one of the little mesh compartments over here on this side. So AirPods, Samsung. Okay, and then I have this gorgeous Beauty Creations powder. It's called Bifilter, and it's pink. I see all the girls on TikTok doing little tutorials and showing how they're using pink loose under eye powder to bake. This powder has 14-hour wear. It gives a matte finish. It's weightless. You can use it for setting, baking, highlighting. It blurs textures, any pores, and any imperfections. I absolutely love it, and it's in the color Pink Cloud. And the packaging, look at that, how gorgeous it is. I love it. My new favorite jam. Okay, and then I have my favorite concealer here for touch-ups on the go. Sometimes when my, mascara runs or something like that, and I just want to clean it up, I have a little concealer there. I have this little lippy, and I needed some more of these makeup puffs. I love getting them from Bella's shop. She has some that are just so thick, like high quality, really soft. Some cheap ones, they're really hard around the corners and they kind of scrape my eye, make my eye water. So she has the best ones. I bought like a 6-pack there from her store. And then my favorite lip gloss from her store as well. It's called Bloom Kiss Lip Oil. Sorry, it's a lip oil. And then I have my Bath & Body Works little cherry hand sanitizer keychain with the little key on it. And it fits just perfectly in the little bag right there. Have my Hello Kitty wallet. Just pretty. It goes with the pink so well. I was debating between my little black Juicy Couture. It's a little bit thinner, a little bit more room, but I love this. Okay, and then down below I have my lip liners, liquid felt tip eyeliner. And then Bella also gifted me with this beautiful Hello Kitty spray perfume. And I love it, how it just fits in there. And then my pen. So if I don't keep my big ol', setting loose pink powder, then so much more will actually fit. So still my hand sanitizer. You know what? Let's see how we're going to do this. To put like my pencil stuff. Let's see if the spray. Yep, the spray fits back here. Pen, other lip liner. And then on this side with these mesh compartments, I can actually fit my lip oil, my concealer, my AirPods could go in that little pocket. This could even go there. The little mini lip gloss could fit in the corner, and wallet here in the center. And that's another look of how you can pack it. It fits a lot. I absolutely love it. Okay, so I ended up taking out the sponge from over here and putting the sponge back here along with the little mini lip gloss. And then I forgot to add my hand sanitizer in, but had the perfect little home off to the side. I guess you can even put the wallet like that. Yeah, I think. Might stretch it, look weird, like misshape the bag. So I do like it like this, sideways. And the sanitizer so dainty, it just fits perfect. But yeah, I love this bag. It holds a lot. If you were thinking about it, I recommend it, okay? I'm gonna zipper it up and let's get into our unboxing, beauties. Okay, beauties, so let's get into it. So like I mentioned, this is my daughter's Labubu. So cute with the little Coca-Cola can. So dainty and small, and it comes with this little scarf. This is the little keychain ringlet part. Too cute to attach to your bag. Love everything about them. So cute. Okay, and as you saw in the clip with Bella, how adorable. She had hers clipped to her Lululemon bag. So let's get into it and see which one I got. Here's a little 360 of the box. And which one do I want? I want the secret one. But of course, if I can't have the secret one, then I want the bottle. So my daughter and I could switch off. So let's see what I got. The packaging looks like, beauties. Coca-Cola. Here we go, beauties. Oh, it's the can. Me and baby girl are twinning. Aw, I'm a little sad. Are they the same, or is it like... Yeah, they're exactly the same. Okay, well, cheers, right, bro? All right. Okay, beauties, thank you so much for watching. I love you. And I will be doing shortly another video of my March favorites as soon as my hot pink TikTok wristlet bag comes in. Love you, beauties. Take care. Have a great rest of your week. Bye.